Australia is home to a diverse range of marine mammals, including cetaceans like whales, dolphins and porpoises. Some might be here for certain times of the year, such as migrating humpback whales, whereas others may potentially be here year-round. The BRU-dus whale is one of those whale species that may be in Australian waters year-round, as they're suspected to be non-migratory. BRU-dus whales are easily identifiable by two key features. One, their longitudinal lateral ridges on their mouth or their rostrum, and number two, dorsal fins, which look very similar to dolphins. Observations of these whales are scarce, and only until recently do we have information based on citizen science observations of these animals using Australian waters, but primarily on the Australian east coast. Research published in 2024 identified novel feeding behaviours of these whales in shallow waters, such as the use of shallow water surf feeding and offshore feeding. It also was apparent that other researchers working around Australia had very few to even little observations of these whales in Australian waters. But the good news is, citizen science effort, coupled with social media, is becoming a promising new tool to learn more about these species, such as their occurrence, as well as feeding behaviour and identifying individual whales, and also potential trans-Tasman movements between Australia and New Zealand. To account for possible observations of BRU-dus whales all around Australian waters, we have created an opportunity for both scientists and citizen scientists to contribute their sightings. This is why we've developed the Australian BRU-dus whale Catalogue, the first observational catalogue of these creatures in Australian waters. The Australian BRU-dus whale catalogue is currently being housed here at Macquarie University via the Marine Predator Research Group. But we welcome contributors both in the scientific environment and the citizen science world to contribute your sightings. You are more than welcome to submit observations where you will be fully credited for your work. So collectively, we can learn more together about a species in Australian waters we know very little about.